Hey guys, what's cooking? You guys want to make something? Well, here we go. Let's cook something up.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make some homemade pizza. First we'll need flour tortilla shells. Then we'll need the pasta sauce. Then we will need the mozzarella cheese. Once we have all these ingredients, then we can go ahead and get our pans ready. Once your pans are ready, we can place the flour tortillas onto the pan like so. Then after that, then we can go ahead and start adding the pasta sauce onto the tortilla flour shells. Just like so. Sauce on the other ones too as well. And then we'll go ahead and add the mozzarella cheese like that. And then we'll add mozzarella cheese to the other ones as well. There we go. And we got cheese pizza. Then you guys can also add pepperonis on it or whatever toppings you want as well. Then you place it into the oven at 350. And then we'll go ahead and we'll grab the pans and then we'll place them into the oven. Okay, and once we got those in, we'll go ahead and close the door up. And then we'll go ahead and we'll set the timer, and I will set the timer for 8 minutes. If you want a little more crispier, you probably best bet to set it for 10 minutes. And there you have it. 8 minutes later, we have the pizzas. Ooh, yummy. Like I said, if you want to, you can leave them even longer, get them more crispier, let the cheese melt even more. I'll go ahead and I'll cut it. Just like that. And cut the other ones too as well. Long pieces. There you have it. You got pizza. It's all cut up. I'll go ahead and I'll take one of them right now and I'll go ahead and taste it and see what it tastes like. Look at that pizza. Take a bite of it and see what it tastes like. Oh yeah, it tastes really good, just like pizza. Thin crust pizza. Alright, thanks for watching.